Can LLC members be on payroll? Yes, LLC members can be on payroll, but only if the LLC elects to be taxed as a corporation. In a default LLC setup, members are considered self-employed and take distributions instead of wages, so they don't receive W-2 pay. Their income is reported on their personal tax returns, and they pay self-employment tax. If the LLC chooses S-corporation or C-corporation taxation, members who actively work in the business must be treated as employees and paid a reasonable salary through payroll. In this case, taxes are withheld like any other employee, and members may also receive additional income through dividends or distributions. The short answer is this: by default, members are not on payroll, but with a corporate tax election, they can receive W-2 wages as employees. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and guide you through tax elections so you know when members should be on payroll. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.